Epson introduces the Workforce ET3750 EcoTank printer. It's the perfect combination of value and convenience for your home office. It offers cartridge-free printing with easy-to-fill, supersized ink tanks, so you're always ready to print. It includes up to 2 years of ink in the box. That's enough to print up to 14,000 pages black, 11,200 color, equivalent to about 30 ink cartridge sets. That equals $1,500 in ink value. Refilling is clean and easy with Epson's exclusive auto-stop ink bottles. You save up to 80% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles. Plus, with auto two-sided printing, you consume 50% less paper. That's good for the environment and your wallet. Powered by precision core printing technology, the 3750 delivers laser-quality black text and print shop quality images. Borderless printing is a snap. A 150-sheet paper capacity means you can handle big print jobs without reloading. A handy 30-sheet auto document feeder helps maximize your efficiency. The 3750 makes wireless printing easy. Plus, it includes Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet. A large 2.4-inch color LCD enables easy setup and fast navigation. And for protection you can count on, a 2-year limited warranty is free with registration. Enjoy the freedom to print anything you want in color without worry. The new Workforce ET3750 EcoTank All-in-One, only from Epson. It's an unbeatable combination of value and convenience.
The K60 is our affordable, entry-level printer geared towards on-site event photography, such as sporting events, weddings, and more. The K60 touts features such as 300 DPI, low operating cost, and multiple print sizes with a single media set. Along with an ink rewind feature to utilize any unused ink when printing 4x6, the K60 offers true versatility and cost-effectiveness.
Introducing the Epson Workforce WF7710 wide format all-in-one printer that delivers brilliant wide format printing and much more to your office. With the 7710, you get performance beyond laser, powered by Epson's revolutionary precision core technology. It puts print shop quality in your hands, producing beautiful color and detail for all your documents, including borderless prints as large as 13 by 19 inches. And it saves you even more by consuming up to 80% less power compared to color laser printers. The versatile 7710 delivers productivity to any office with its 250-sheet paper capacity, plus a rear feed for specialty paper and 125-sheet output tray. Its full-featured toolkit includes automatic two-sided printing that saves paper, plus scanning, copying, and faxing, with a 35-page auto document feeder to help you do more. You'll scan documents as large as 11 by 17 inches with its convenient two-sided auto document feeder. Features are easy to operate, including an intuitive 4.3-inch color touchscreen for simple navigation, featuring the ultimate in wired and wireless networking. The 7710 makes it easy to print from tablets and smartphones and includes Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, and NFC. You'll print your documents quickly, 18 pages per minute black and 10 pages per minute color, and change ink less often, courtesy of Epson's extra-large high-capacity cartridges. The Epson Workforce 7710 wide format all-in-one, delivering exceptional quality and versatility to your office.
The Expression Photo HD XP 15000 wide format printer by Epson is the ideal photo printer for those who want their prints to match their creative vision. Easily print brilliant, professional quality, borderless prints up to 13 by 19. The XP 15000 is fast, printing 4x6 borderless photos in as fast as 27 seconds. And enjoy the convenience of auto two-sided document printing. Achieve colorful images with great detail as you envisioned while taking those amazing photos. with access to several types of specialty media, including cardstock, that's handled easily by the multiple trays available. Reach amazing tones and colors with its 6 color individual ink cartridges, including all new red and gray inks. Print wirelessly from your mobile device for easy access and convenience for your busy lifestyle. Easily navigate menu settings with its 2.4-inch color LCD. Its compact design makes it the perfect printer designed for any creative area at home. Take your photography to new heights, knowing that the XP15000 can print your photos with professional quality. The Epson Expression Photo HD XP15000 printer is the ideal wide format printer for printing pro-quality photographs at home.
Introducing the Epson Workforce WF7720 wide format all-in-one printer that combines superior quality and features with affordability. Powered by Epson's groundbreaking precision core technology, the 7720 delivers performance beyond laser. The 7720 brings you professional quality printing without the hassle and expense of a print shop. You'll produce borderless prints as large as 13 by 19 inches with brilliant color and detail. It's efficiently designed, using up to 80% less power versus color laser printers. The 7720 delivers powerful productivity to your office or work group. High-volume printing with dual 250-sheet paper trays, plus a rear feed for specialty paper and a 125-sheet output tray. Its versatile features include paper-saving automatic 2-sided printing, plus scanning, copying, and faxing, and a convenient 35-page auto document feeder, scanning documents as large as 11 by 17 inches. Its intuitive 4.3-inch color touchscreen provides easy navigation and control. The 7720 provides the ultimate in wireless printing and networking, so you can print easily from your tablet and smartphone, and it includes Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, and NFC. Enhance your productivity with fast print speeds, 18 pages per minute black and 10 pages per minute color, and extra-large high-capacity ink cartridges. With print shop quality and paper-saving features, the Epson Workforce 7720 wide format all-in-one makes the perfect fit for your busy office.